Hi guys, happy Vlogmas. I am at an Airbnb right now. If you saw my video before this one, it is a really nice time during the winter or December to just rest and relax, and that is exactly what I am doing because it gets really tiring over the days when you go to work. You do your all, you do your best, and then you come back in and it's rinse and repeat. So sometimes I like to go to an Airbnb and just spend the weekend just resting and relaxing, and trust me, you're gonna see where I'm gonna use most of the day to just be watching Netflix. But sometimes you just have to do that, just do nothing. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. Hopefully it takes not long, and I'm gonna make my bed. One thing people don't talk about enough is how mental illness is very much physical. There's so many symptoms. There's nausea, there's pain in your chest, you can get headaches, you can get digestive issues and lack of sleep, and as well aching muscles, because I have had that. The list really goes on. And people that never suffered from mental health issues, well, they just say it's all in your head. All in your head, like seriously. But yeah, truth be told, it is. When your brain is sick, so does your body. And when your body becomes sick, what do? You take time off work, right? You rest, you sleep, you relax, you eat, you tend to your wounds, you get some gentle exercise, and if it gets really bad, you get medicine, or you speak to a professional, right? And of course, you make sure that your friends and family treat you with that tender, loving care. But what happens when your mind becomes sick? What do? We just continue on and hope to God that, it just goes away with the season. If you thought that was the wrong answer. We don't. We try to treat our mind the same way we treat our body. Try to treat the mental the same way we treat the physical, because stress and trauma can cause a wide range of physical illnesses. If we don't start prioritizing our mental health, then it's going to manifest physically and interrupt our lives, whether we like it or not.